Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Harmony and today I'm going to be showing you how to create email templates on your Gmail. This is going to make your emailing much more faster. It's going to save you tons of time and make you more productive at work or whatever it is that you want to do. Alright, so let's dive in. So first of all, we're going to click on settings, this icon here that looks like a screw. I think that's what it's called. You click on this that says settings, and then you click on see all settings. You click on that and it brings you to this general settings page, and at the top here, the list of items here, you just click on advanced. You click on advanced, and the second option here is for templates. So you click on enable, and you save your changes at the bottom of the screen. You scroll down and click on save changes, and your email is going to reload, and now we can go create our email template. So you click on compose, and here we are. So I just got some templates that I'm going to use for this. So let's copy the first one. All right, copy. So I'm going to just paste this here. This is the subject of the email. So just setting this up properly. All right. So now this is a sample email for invoice. Okay. So you're going to come to the bottom of your screen here on the compose box. You see three dots on your right with this blue dot. So you click on that and you see the option for templates. Okay, so we are going to save this email draft right now as a template. Save as a new template. So we're just going to name it request for invoice, and we click save. So let's delete these drafts, and let's say for example we want to send a fresh email that relates to invoice request. You just click on compose, and then you come to those three dots at the bottom of the screen, these three dots that has the blue dot on top. You click on it, and then you come to templates and see the one we just saved here. It says request for invoice, and so we'll click on that and our template is here. So you just fill in the blanks and you're good to go. So you can have multiple templates. Let's create a second template. uh, let's create a second template here. Okay, this one is for, say you're applying, you're job hunting and you're applying to multiple jobs and you don't want to always have to draft a fresh email. You can create a template. So that's what we're going to do right now. So I've pasted this here. So I'm just arranging it so it can look properly organized. So now we're going to click on the three dots at the bottom of the screen. You come here, you click on templates, and you can save draft as a new template. Save as new template. So you can just say job application and save. So let's delete this and create a fresh compose email. So now let's see, we have two templates here, job application and request for invoice. So you can create as many as you would like. And now if you want to delete a template, you just come here, like to the bottom of the screen, you click on delete template, and then it brings out the list of all your available templates, and you can just click on the one that you want to be deleted, and it's going to delete that for you. So let's click on request for invoice, for example, and it's going to show you this prompt. And if you want to cancel, you can press cancel if you mistakenly clicked on the wrong thing. But if that's what you want to really delete, you go ahead and just click on delete and it's gone. If you come back here and check, it's gone, it's no longer there. So I hope this is helpful. I believe this will be helpful to you. If it's helpful, please, you can drop a comment in the comment box. I would like for you to actually practice this and tell me how easy it was for you. Come back and tell me how easy or how difficult it was for you. If there are any other videos you'd like for me to record, please leave it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share with someone you think this would help. Thank you so much. Bye for now.